tired. Today's the first track day. I'm out in Oceanside. We got the tacos right here. We're gonna take this one to AVS. And we're gonna do the Drift Zone rental 350Zs, and we're gonna try and leak the whole track. Are we jumping this bitch?
We got some air.
Bro, I look like a fucking...
Oh shit, I got overshot. Oh, whatever. I don't know, I think you got it.
Killing it. We got that lightweight. You're chilling. There's AVS right there. We tried to go up this, but it didn't really work. Oh, there he goes. He's backing down the whole thing. Looks like Loki, like...
A little bit.
Yeah.
Right here. One and two.
Alright, we made it to AVS. This shit's so sick, bro. I'm so hyped. This is gonna be fun. That thing's hard, I can't lie.
So sick.
Oh man! Damn!
You gotta know what size. Bank card.
Oh, and bank card.
Oh yeah. Can't charge $200 for this when you take the helmet. I even took $200 cash and they still took the helmet. The helmet, it was $200 brand new, but
I think I'm a small.
it ain't that big one last a long time.
I got that problem too. There we go, that's good.
Don't forget to put your helmet condom on.
Yeah, I got it. Always.
Pretty chill.
What a beautiful beater.
I know.
Come on, dude. Look at the door. This is a beautiful door.
Yeah, bro. We got Benicio in the driver's seat. This is like his second time ever drifting. And then I'm going to be passenger princess, so I'm going to film him. Yeah, there you go.
Out. I want you to feel the grip on the second lap, just not like full out drifting. On that second lap,
And we're in this one, okay? Steering feels tight. Oh, the e-brake feels great. And I got a sick little shifter.
have fun. This car, you need to stay a little fast, so you stay fast, okay?
Okay.
You have to use all that angle so you keep that momentum going.
Yeah.
Stay off the dirt, have fun.
Thank you. I'm gonna do like a pretty light. Okay.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I gotta slow down.
Good mythical morning.
Hell yeah! Try to get a better entry. It's so fun. I'm about to go behind a Jeep.
On deck. What?
What? Okay, thanks. Dude, it feels hella good, bro. I'm getting it. I want to link it hella bad.
You'll get it.
Yeah.
Just try to stay off the dirt, have fun.
Dude, this is fire. Oh, I popped the tire.
That was a tire?
Yeah.
Hold it. Yeah! That shit pop, boy! That was a tire? Yeah. Fuck yeah, that's even better.
All right, so we blew a tire already. It's on a super sick entry, honestly.
That's worth it.
Worth it for sure.
Dude, you fucking just gas into it.
I know, dude, low key. Well, it's okay. I'm not used to like an angle kit at all. Like, you can just gas it. The damage. So this tire is all right. God damn. Yeah, I got that thing fucked up.
That was fun, huh?
Dude, that was hella fun.
That felt like at least 20 minutes.
Dude, that was sick. One tire down. Well, I think we're what, 7 laps in? Dude.
6.5.
6.5. I think I have to rent this thing until I link the track good.
Just put that back wheel next to the jack right there, okay? Car ready? I'm gonna have you hold the brake.
Bet. So we're gonna take a little breather right now. And we got the watermelon.
I'm retarded, bro. You just saw me do that shit.
Just took a little break. There's the Z right there. And we're gonna do 4 more laps, and then that's gonna be like $300 in, and then I think I gotta cut myself off right there. My goal is to, again, link the track and get a good entry. Is it bad that I kind of want a VQ now? Yeah, hella bad. I guess we'll try a cool entry, I guess. this is my last lap for the whole entire day, I think. I can't afford too much more. So let's get it.
No skid pad sessions. So
Yeah.
You're just at 325 with the driver's pass.
Got it.
And then you're just at 85 one skid pad driver's pass.
Hella worth it.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, your driving was sick from the very beginning. I could tell you kind of learned in like a low horsepower car because you were able to keep it fast and like pop the clutch just at the right time. Like slowing down, slowing down, slowing down.
Yeah, pop.
the
Yeah,
clutch.
yeah, bro.
Perfect.
That was fire. We successfully got a pretty decent entry, and we barely linked the track. Like, I had to there was one little understeer or two, but I mean, I'm happy with it. I spent like 325, and that's so fair for fucking 12 laps. So stoked, bro.
At least an hour of drifting.
At least an hour of drifting, bro. That was the most fun I've had in a long time. Money well spent. Come to ABS and learn how to drift proper, bro.